Salute. Now we give everybody will be Wazobia family member on top of this new month of February, on top of the chairman television station Wazobia TV, on top Star Times channel 195. And on behalf of all of us when they here on top of E DEY HOT and Wazobia TV, we say this month, na month when we say all of us go Waka Beach, our permanent site, and our Obodo Nigeria go see peace and progress. We've been telling you last week before we close the curtain on top of the month of January, say we go to count down to the big thing when they happen for inside this month of February, that now the general elections when they come up for the 14th and the 28th of this February. So what we want to discuss today now as Malam Garuba Shehu will be the talk director of the APC presidential campaign team come out to talk say Oga Buhari no go the NEDG debate when put for February 8th, sake of say they really say monkey hand they inside the soup. Many people don't talk say they get excuse because of say they talk say some people they spoil the man name, and other people talk say it be like saying they fear microphone. On top of us, E DEY HOT today, we want choke mouth for this matter. We get two important people who go join us inside studio. They be lawyer, there's a book, and they go choke mouth for inside this matter. My name is Ezugo Chukwode. And as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabi well as he take concern this matter as E DEY HOT.
Good morning, Nigerians. Good morning, our wonderful, beautiful, splendid viewers where they watch us right now. Chukwu don't introduce the topic of the day tonight, and that this now Monday morning. We want to start on on a very tight, sharp note. And this now E DEY HOT, and Nanos my name never still change. My name is Nkubi. Chukwudi, they say they take care of us, they open today's program. Chukwudi, look, we could tell ourselves some good truth. I know they to come say, give you room to come, they throw the matter to me before I go answer. Look, make we tell ourselves truth. Nigerians, where they watch us, listen, you and I, sincere Nigerians where they watch us, no, say, look, the approach where the ruling party they use to say they want hijack power by force, no go work. Because if you look at how now they spread out propaganda where we go describe as false. They tell Nigerians say, see, all because of say that they're so desperate to do it, to still remain in power on what ground? Chukwudi. Yes, ma'am. Answer that question.
You see, I always they talk
because I know they in the mood to come and say I won't follow you to the follow any protocol of this program. Say no, could start them on this one. And they start any notes with you. Just tell me why.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
I always they talk when this show starts.
No, give me ignorantum talk here. I don't want ignorantum. No, I'm not ready to listen to ignorantum statements.
I go talk.
No, you don't go talk.
Seven Nigerians they do their research to avoid argumentum ad ignorantia.
Now your own cup of tea be that.
I know
what you can deceive
Nigerians.
No. You will not use ignorantum to use. You keep using ignorantum to deceive Nigerians. Tell Nigerians what will be the meaning of ignorantum. Tell them because that has been your label. Your hand is clean, but it is obvious your hand is not clean in this
Thank
case.
you very much. Nigerians, our hands are clean, and you know this. They don't tell you say make you come debate. Come tell the full Nigeria what you go do. Una begin to make excuse.
The debate now to serve the interest of the ruling party. What else?
Which debate go serve
the debate is to just serve the interest of the ruling party. Who are the organizers of this debate? Chukudi?
You see this. Who
are the organizers of this debate?
I will give you example.
Who are the answer that question? Who are the organizers
like
of
students
this debate?
when go write WAEC.
They give example.
Because you go write WAEC, you go to say the Oga of WAEC. Say he come from one particular state. Say the students will come from that state. They go fit answer the question before you answer them. Meanwhile, syllabus.
You could answer my question. Who are the organizers of this debate?
Thank you very much. Now, very credible organization.
Okay.
And the Nigerians.
They mention them. They mention them.
Thank you very much.
They mention.
Wait now first. We get platform. The people when we say 2003, they organize. 2007, they organize. 2011, they organize. Now, when they organize for the first
one, up this organizing group.
Thank you very much.
That is what you should be answering me.
The parents platform. I go talk English.
The parents platform.
When they organize them, now the NEDG. You understand? And the NEDG, the person wey sit down on top, Aremo, wey sit down on top of the NEDG, na credible Nigerian. Nobody fit question in integrity. He don't even talk am. Say if una question my integrity, make una talk. Wetin be the APC argument? Say they don't leak the question. My brother, if APC come out, they go talk say insecurity na problem, unemployment na problem, economy na problem. Then give us answer for debate now.
They involved. The media outfit, the same media outfit, they say they are propaganda and just to spoil person's credibility. They spread that one thing they're not supposed to spread that. Not these same people go cover this event. And what because in the end, what will happen is they're going to ask us who will favor the government. The ruling government. That is what it is.
Anybody will win.
That is what it is.
Anybody will win the election.
You want mention? Make we address the issue of the press. This thing where they normally get to Oga Press do. How has it gone so far?
Which one?
Other
debate na debate. Debate na between two people. Debate na between people. And they go answer the same question. No be matter.
We know the channel.
Nigerians will not take this excuse.
We know the channel where the debate they go.
You must debate. Oh, you go debate.
It is right to say no to Ram.
You see, you get one particular.
This case just be like the case where you won't go. You know, say light no dey here. And you get people who stand on top in front of a pot of soup. So okay, you all can take food. Okay, make we shine you light. Oh yeah, share they see that meat. Take that big one. No, take this one. It can't be reach my turn to come go take my own meat. Now come off light. Come off light. So that I know if you see what now you take. Isn't that partial?
You see.
Isn't that partial?
It is very, very clear.
What is clear about it?
We get debate when all of us watch yesterday.
Okay.
The vice presidential candidate debate. We see the way when they take one. Our hands are clean. Everything they clear. Thank you very much. How many sessions they get?
Your hand is
all
clean.
the vice presidential candidates of the various political parties, then come. They start from 12 o'clock. They begin the debate. We see all of them. The thing they clear. Now the same question when they ask you, they go ask you and follow up question. They depending on your answer.
We know as
if you know fit talk.
We know as this politics they go.
Oh,
you and I know as this politics they go.
You can't fear debate.
Debate waiting.
Now they fear debate.
Debate waiting.
With these few points of mine, I hope I've been able to convince Nigerians. Say if they don't come that debate, we not go.
Will that define the interest of what Nigerians want in the end?
You can't even
because the same Nigerians will say they want Buhari. The same Nigerians will say now credit want a change in government. Now the same Nigeria will still stand on the fact that look. That's
a fallacious statement.
What makes it a fallacious statement?
And you go come to say Nigerians say they want. Why you going to talk that kind of thing?
The voice of the people is the voice of God.
It's a fallacy of generalization.
I'm not of your church mind.
It's a fallacy of generalization.
I'm not of your church mind, Chukudi. You go to pray make Buhari.
What if I know they go church?
Either way, but for your mind, as long as that's your mind,
Nigerians, can you see discrimination? Why you use church mind as example? What are people when they go church?
It is a general term where people they use.
Nigerians, everybody don't see and say the transformation we don't see for this country is open to
transformation
everybody.
Indeed.
Even you, you use church mind do example.
The transformation.
Meanwhile, Oga President build 125 Almajiri school. He shows say church mind, monks mind, shrine mind.
What is the state of this school?
Nigerians, what are we waiting for?
No, Chukudi, tell me what is the state of this school?
Una go campaign, una go begin to shout, go back to Otueke. No vex this that. Okay, don't reach for debate now. Where you go talk am as we take things anything.
Chukudi, you know, I said that debate. Wuru there.
Who could be with these few points of mine? I hope I've been able to convince you and not to confuse you.
You are not convincing me. You cannot convince me in any way.
This market.
You cannot convince me in any way. I'm not ready to listen to your conviction.
Una must debate. Una go debate.
You
go debate.
You are who?
Welcome back to the Ogbonge program. We give you license to talk about the you for body as E DEY HOT on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. Because of say we enter the discussion quick, we forget to tell una say una fit join us on top of this discussion. But una know we dey on top of Facebook. Go the Wazobia fan page, like them. Anywhere where you see our thread, chook your comments on top. We dey for Twitter too at TV as E DEY HOT. We get email when you go fit send us a message to as E DEY HOT at wazobiatv.tv. And as the only television station wey fit go to take use make pepper soup for you, we knack una with 3 telephone lines. Come give you toll-free line. What if the toll-free line? You go call. We go to hear you. The full Nigeria go to hear you, but now we go to pay. Unkubi, back to our discussion.
Look, back to our discussion, Chukudi. The only reason why we also tell us the only reason why Malam Shehu Garuba will come and talk, say, look, this debate tonight.
You don't talk for Malam Shehu Garuba now.
Oh, hold on. The reason why they no go ever for one say they want honor this kind of debate now because of say, look, the media outfit where they back up these events. We know them.
Not be bad
the same,
now. Not
the
be
same
bad.
media outfit where we say they don't spoil the reputation of. They want to try to spoil the reputation of this man. But because of say their plan no go work, and which of course I believe in, and we can also look the media on their own part. What they're supposed to be? They're supposed to be agents of peace and waiting, peace to make sure say unity day. No be to come they use that channel to come say you want to take groom person career. Chukudi, it does not work that way.
Thank you very much.
So how you expect me to come embrace such a debate
Thank you
when
very much.
it is being covered by this same set of people?
Thank
when
you
we
very
say
much.
they don't want the interest of the opposition party.
You don't put yourself for tight corner.
No, tell me what.
I go box you now.
Tell me.
You dey come out they talk say media houses. Not be just one. Now all of them.
There are
use.
so media has to carry on for head.
You see how you Nigerian excuse upon
as a matter of fact,
the people when put Oga Presido, our able action Oga Presido, when not do so many things for this country, alongside people like Mobutu Sese Seko and the rest of them.
To violate that memorandum of undertaking where they signed.
Which memorandum of undertaking?
Of course.
When they compare Oga Presido.
How the real party got the use channel to the wrong person career say one because of saying I won't win power by force.
As they compare Oga Presido to people like Mobutu Sese Seko, then they compare them to leaders when we say everybody accept say they're bad. As they compare our able president, why you not talk that one? The can't issue na own. Una say una no go come. Nigerians, we must speak with one voice. They must come that debate.
Chukudi, you don't go hold up.
Shebi you talk say you go address issue of unemployment. Talk am for debate. How you want to do am? You say you go create 3 million jobs.
Other channels of debate.
Which channels? Which channels?
Okay.
Platforms when we say everybody fit watch. You know what FRCN
Happy hand.
Not they speaking about to me. Not they speaking about to me.
It is government owned. And who are the government? The ruling party.
Your answers.
So don't give me that way they give me.
The questions when they go ask you, are the questions government owned?
The
answers when you go give, are they government answers?
Obviously, the question go favor government.
Okay, Unkubi, make I ask you one simple question.
No, ask me any question.
I must ask you.
I'm not going to answer any question.
Me and you now, they come me two of us, come tell you, say, okay, what will be your skin complexion?
Why would you ask me my skin complexion? You blind not to see my own skin complexion.
Thank you very much.
You know the eyes.
Thank you very much. Now, the content you say make you come debate. Content Nigerians, what you go do? You can't talk say
Chukudi,
you no go.
Because that debate, organizers of that debate and the debate itself, no be am at all.
You see, make I tell you, even if the Landlord Association of Nigeria, Landlord Association of Nigeria organize debate, una no go come because una no get wetin to talk. Una no get wetin to talk. You dey here dey laugh. You for your mind now, you know say una no dey correct.
Chukudi tell, look, we no need to tell you wetin we need.
Which kind of excuse be that one?
We no need to tell you.
They don't leak the question. They don't leak the question. Give Oga Presido.
You don't see am from the credible leaders wey we get for the different states wey the opposition party dey rule.
Which credible leaders?
So wetin again you need to see?
Credible leaders when they under the umbrella for over 10 years. Now they don't carry blue. They don't be credible leaders.
Over the same matter, over the same propaganda where the ruling party they take propaganda, they support person name. Look, the opposition party don't write letter to different. They don't write to INEC, write to the Inspector General of Police, write to the media house where they involved. Say, may I do something about it.
Why they not write? Give the people when they compare Oga Presido to bad leaders for this country.
I'm telling you, all these channels, all this group, they know who they work for.
But the people when they compare Oga Presido to bad people, why they not write letter? Give those ones. You compare Oga President to Mobutu Sese Seko. Do you know who Mobutu Sese Seko
where
is?
you see that one?
Mobutu Sese Seko built Almajiri School. Mobutu Sese Seko 9 federal universities. Nigeria even win Nations Cup under this present administration.
You know they shake
Look, just the
transformation. Nation Cup. What does that have to do with the achievement of government?
We are talking of good fortune. Good fortune that is coming with
what
the administration.
Look, and you
we pursue Ebola.
You mentioned
Cocoa Gari Donde. Largest exporter of cassava. All these things, na transformation.
Yes, the cost of food never still change for market.
We don't drop by 40%.
The cost of Gari never still drop for market.
By 40%.
The cost of pepper never
we
drop
don't
for market.
climb up for the corruption ladder. You see, we are working. We are working. We are working.
You cross sluggish, you say they climb.
Thank you very much. Only one way they don't do since 1916.
Listen to me, young man. They mention university.
Almajiri schools.
You talk about structural development. The important, the internal development.
The people will allow the institution of Almajiri to try.
Education.
When the president come build the university, what's happen about that?
Giving us structure, say they give us education. What are you saying?
You dare they talk. Our economy, people destroy the economy. Oga come they diversify.
Oh.
Now, largest exporter of cassava. Nobody talk about that.
The same economy without devaluing naira.
Which devalue naira?
What was the current? What was the valuation of naira?
Oh, Nigeria.
When did not come in?
Misinformation.
117 naira.
Misinformation.
Right now, how much is it?
Misinformation.
200 and something naira.
Misinformation.
I
don't know this government devalue naira. Why you go say this government devalue naira? If you go check the history, people when do am na the same people when we say they wear uniform, they come wear agbada.
Okay, mention the same person when they contest with your oga.
The same person when truncate democratic for 1983. I go speak English. He truncated a democratically elected government.
He truncated democracy. Under what condition?
Which condition?
Under what condition?
Is there a justification?
Under what condition?
Is there a justification for truncating democracy?
When we get there for the aftermath of the election.
You exam, you cut your picking neck.
I not fit do that one.
You fit the same thing with the talk.
We not fit do one. I not try am. And my picking for your information no go ever fail the exam.
I just use example.
No, they take my picking, they give example.
I just give example.
And they tell you. No, they take my picking.
This is when they do now. The same thing when they don't want to use come debate. I say your picking fail exam. Your picking fail. If to say you fail.
Chukudi, no, they use my picking give example.
Okay, sorry, no verse. Make we they talk the thing they go.
You go tell me no verse now. Tomorrow night, you go still find either my head or the clothes I wear. They give example.
Why you they bring back the past now?
The past will remain the past.
Thank you very much. Let the past remain the past. Don't bring 1983. Don't bring 1983 back to 2015. Nigeria, can you see?
Under what? Where don't remove agbada? Where don't remove military clothes?
But the past will remain the past. The past will remain the past.
Again for information.
He's a born again.
He's now a born again.
He's a born again.
He's a changed man from what he used to be.
Thank you very much. If armed robber come church, armed robber. I dey give example. If to say you be armed robber now, you can't come church.
Just if to say I be armed robber, you could that same thing what they tell me they use.
Okay, sorry.
After say if to say you be armed robber,
I know if you use me.
Why you can't use me?
Because I understand the example. I won't use you so that you understand.
No, look for somebody else. You might use somebody else, not use me.
Okay, armed robber become born again, come church. Pastor can't lay hand on top of him and come say, I forgive you. You are now a changed man.
Yes.
You think say that pastor go trust him, make and treasure that for the church?
The pastor will trust him for information.
Why?
Because he's a man of God.
If you are a pastor,
I will trust him.
Thank you. But that's why you cannot be a pastor. You must come that debate. Una go come that debate. Fellow Nigerians, let us begin to make all of us begin to talk. Come that debate. Come that debate.
No go work.
Una no one come debate.
Una plan no go work.
Una want create 3 million jobs. Una no want tell us for debate.
Redefine your debate.
Una want make our army.
Una
say una go pursue insurgency. Una no want come tell us how una go do it for debate. Una go make our economy strong. Una no want come tell us for debate.
The same insurgency wey say what they terrorize us.
How many years it take America to take tidy Osama bin Laden?
Chukudi.
Thank you.
America's case, Osama bin Laden na external issue. We talk about internal insecurity matter.
Where 9/11?
Internal insecurity
Where
matter.
9/11 happen? Na for Mushin happen.
Chukudi.
Oh.
Chukudi, no they give.
All these questions, now you go answer for the debate. All these questions, now you go answer for the debate.
Your plan no go work.
How una go come
plan and the plan of the people where they support no go work.
Nigerians, we just want debate. Come to debate and tell us what you will
and
do.
The man is saying he's not coming under the ground. Say Uwuru go there.
How Uwuru go there?
Uwuru go there the debate.
Uwuru go there.
That is why your hand is not clean. Your hand is never clean.
Nigerians, see, make we check una. I go
what are we
English.
saying?
Make we check una antecedent. You understand?
Uh-huh.
For this same program, now you dey always talk and say any election wey una win na free and fair.
Yes.
Thank you.
When me and you know say dey free and fair.
Edo State election.
It was free and fair.
Thank you.
Yes.
Ondo State election.
Free and fair.
Thank you. Anambra State election.
It was not free and fair.
Because na Abga winner. Thank you.
No. It was not free and fair.
Ekiti State election.
Yes. It was not free and fair.
Osun State election.
It was free and fair.
Anyone wey una win free and fair. Anyone wey una lose.
Make the state why
State wetin? Why you want state?
Make the state why
Wetin one state? Wetin one state?
Make we tell us
No, wetin one state?
One, Anambra State election wey you mention. When the same Anambarians come and talk, say, look, oh, they no see their name for this voters card. Oh. They no see their name for the list of voters. They no see their party logo. Okay, it's state election.
Thank you.
Even before the election, they don't threaten the life of the governor.
Hold it.
The governor wey dey power that time.
Hold it. Make I ask you one question.
No ask me any question.
The person wey be say na governor for that time, after he lose the election, when he call him brother, say, my brother, our people don't talk, say, now you they want.
Chukudi.
As he win the...
We know the channel when I take winning election.
Which channel?
We know the channel. No,
okay, you know what? Unkubi, I take a beg una. Make una come debate content Nigerians. The channel when we take una. The video.
We know they come any debate.
Say,
if you like, mention this debate reach tomorrow. This particular debate,
you know what?
Debate in car, we know they come out.
We go start something for the
National
National
Assembly.
Assembly.
Debate, but not this particular one.
No, we must
Organized by
start
your
something for the
people.
National Assembly.
No, not this one organized by your own people.
Oyibo people they talk say the fear of waiting is the beginning of wisdom. Thank you. But for National Assembly now, we go make sure say under the administration of this government now, we go start the fear of debate. The fear of debate is the beginning of wisdom.
Waiting that one coming.
Why you go to fear debate?
Waiting that one coming.
Why you go to fear debate?
Waiting that one coming.
Why you go to fear debate? Now people go begin to use debate. They threaten their children. If you don't fetch water, you will go for debate. If you don't pass your exam, you will go for debate. Una must go this debate. With these few points of mine, I hope I've been able to convince you.
You've not been able to convince everybody. Nigerians don't listen to him. He has not been able to convince you in any way. He's confusing you people.
Make I go break now.
Okay, go break.
With these few points of mine, I hope I've been able to convince you and not to confuse you. Say the debate, they must do it. We go this break. We'll come and continue discussion.
A man debate and I got will not go for any debate.
You don't speak. Welcome back to our E DEY HOT on top of the Chairman television station Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. Ezugu Chukwudi and Nkubi and they discuss the serious matter of debate when we carry come studio today. But Nkubi don't shift somehow. Make we carry two people when sabi book where enter inside studio to chook mouth for inside this matter. These two people, there be people where people they call learned people because of say they read lawyer book and they sabi the thing where I get a barrister Liberius for inside studio and also barrister Stanley. I don't need to shake una because I know say una don't understand where we they come from this our discussion and una dey inside studio. I bet una greet our Nigerian people in the house.
Nigerians will greet una.
We greet una.
And you, Chukwudi, thank you for the opportunity to come talk for this matter. I don't listen to you and Nkubi since the argument no be small thing. I see say sweat don't they come off on our body over the matter. Now so debate supposed to be.
So thank you. Say you use the word debate because that's so it's supposed to be.
As soon as they debate the matter.
Thank you. Debate now the key word for you.
Aga, thank you very much. Nigerians, we hail you now.
Una welcome. And on top of our E DEY HOT today, we're not dey take and slow here. So I go first hit you now with some kind strong questions. Now I go start with Barrister Stanley first. Make we check the way when we say the different political parties. If it be say no be the party endorse them, but they are people. The way when they don't they campaign to spoil person name, you know, anything there for law when talk say make person no do like that, I mean make person they campaign like that for election.
What did they be say? You know, say for politics for Nigeria now, people know they discuss issue, and if you watch, you find out say that the ruling party now actually they guilty of that position. May we discuss issue of security, unemployment, the tumbling economy. They no go agree. They just they attack one person. And who be that person when they attack? The APC presidential candidate. Remember, say other candidates did, but not the major person when they attack, now be that person. Yes, anybody if you talk with he like, but you must not a kind of a slander person. Do you understand? So you feel the talk. But for this politics when we did so now for this election period, waiting we expect to make people they talk. We say how we want to provide job for our people. Not be to the insult person, not be to the third person, say how your wife did die, say how your pikin did die for sickle cell. No, we will discuss issue. And once we discuss issue, people will know what they will do. But presently, it be like only one party, APC, they try to discuss issue. The ruling party, PDP, be like say the party, no one even discuss issue. But you know, say, it's understandable because it be like say the party feel say they don't get serious issue to actually discuss because now they power for over 15 years now. And Oga Jonah, they power for over 6 years. So there are many issues. You know, say problem they this country.
So Barrister Stanley, what you try to talk be say, now issue they're supposed to discuss, but the people when they under umbrella know they like discussing.
They know they like discussing. That be the problem. That be the problem.
Barrister, you they shake your head when you talk. I know say you want chook mouth for inside.
Yes, because I completely disagree with him. Both parties know they discuss issue. Both parties. Issue not be say I go tie road or I go fight insecurity. To me, no be issue. Then a wish list. Wish lists. The same way when this man they talk of change, the other one they talk of transformation. The two things they exist for their imagination. The issue now when you break them down, say this road now 25-kilometer road. This one they water area. This one they dry land. This one when they dry land. This now how much it go cost us state time. This now how much the state they get. It no go reach. This now how we go take generate another money where we go take time. This one. This other one, after we don't tie this one they water area. By the time we generate that same money like this, open this other place, generate another money from here, by that time we don't fit tie this one. NEPA or PHCN or whichever name you call them, currently this is where we dey. This now where we want to take them to, and this now how we want to take them there. If you remember 1999, Obasanjo come tell us, say, in 200 days, power failure will be a thing of the past. That one an issue now, according to my brother here. But when Obasanjo come, he say, no, say the problem big like this. Oh. That make us now they talk, say, not tell us, say you go do this one, you go do this one. Tell us how you want to do it.
Thank you very much.
So that,
no, I go hold you for where you talk. When I come from two different angles. But when we watch the campaign, we see, say, now two of them, or people they call them mudslinging. Now two of them, they do us. But maybe we can't discuss the issue. Now, you don't raise some. And you talk, say, we talk issue. Now, this issue, where be the better place when they for discuss this issue, if not before debate?
Before I talk about the question when you talk, so may I quick tell my people, say, now 2 hands they take the clap, not be 1 hand.
If the person get 1 hand, don't call.
If one person, that now in a normal situation, ordinarily.
So now discrimination.
No, wait, I
discriminate.
dey come now. If one party they discuss issue and the other party they must link, you go dey kill the issue when they want suppose discuss. If we discuss issue from this angle, you discuss some ideas will clash. Do you understand? So ideas must be allowed to clash in the intellectual market so that the best we fit use them for national development.
Stanley, that's where I disagree.
No, okay.
Because if me and you now, they discuss, if you like, make you come, curse my papa, curse my mama.
The problem.
If I know, say, no be you, be my problem. The people when I want talk to them, my front. The thing when I want make them hear. And how I want me to hear them. Now to face them, begin to tell them. You, when they curse my papa and my mama, at the end of the day, for me, I go be happy. That is why when this certificate issue start, I talk, say, when you see APC keep quiet, they begin to discuss with it, they go. I say, good. Nice. Because then no one make that one cause distraction. But when you come bring them saying at 2 hands, they clap. Not be cooperation, no. Not be cooperative that day here. Everybody do your own thing. And to make sure, say, that the Nigerian people. And so for me, when time for debate reach, because for campaign, make we talk through. Campaign these days no be ground where you go fit talk plenty things. Now ground where you fit take lay the matter bare. The comedian go talk, they'll come, they go talk. Musician go come, everybody go come. At the end of the day, you go shout, FDF or you shout AFC. But now for that debate, when you stand here, you stand here, they go get some questions when they agitate some of us. When they agitate some of us, when we no fee ask, when they fee ask for that place. Many questions. Now that time also, you now go fee articulate your idea, you go begin to discuss them, marshal them out. But quickly make a round up. You find out, say, right from 1999, the most popular candidate no they come debate. Obasanjo no come. Yaradua no come. Even this good luck Jonathan now went on the flex muzzle. 2011 we no show face. He said, let him go doing debate for corner. Now, make you see, now, Buhari don't see say himself don't they popular. Because he be there to attend debate before. Now he doesn't say, I don't gather momentum. No need to show.
No, but you know
what did it mean be say, all the politicians don't take us serious.
Thank you very much. Now question, I'll go through this question to you now. If we talk say the popular candidate, no they go debate. You not think say this one go cause problem for the man because if the person will sit down on top, can't decide say okay he won't go, are you going to say you no won't go? You not think say it go cause problem for him campaign?
No, you know cause problem. Let me tell you why. If you watch, it don't run through our history just now. People won't be like say they're popular for this country. They know they go debate. Obasanjo, Yaradua, even Jonah, for 2011, they organized special debate for them. Now, born organizer. The one when another station organized, Okojona no go. Buhari did there now. Shakarao did there. The Ribadu did there. So you go see them say, you go be like say, why they organize special debate for Jonah? Jonah no go down. Maybe they arrange special debate for Buhari. If you no go now before they say you no want go. Arrange just if in say now only this one, he say now this one no go. He not tell you so if another debate they no go. But this one, he say no go this one. And you know why he no go now. You not tell everybody.
No,
make they organize another one. Make you see whether he no go. Before we begin to say you must go.
CM, I don't talk this thing before. We don't see Buhari for debate before. Left to Buhari when I know say for like good debate. But now, where we say the issues don't, he hot pass 2007, 2011. Now it don't hot well. And so you feel position two of them. And now when it be say, they say the picking when you feel beat, now you they challenge every day. PDP don't look and say, I be like, say this one will go beat them. Now made that now say you must come debate, you must come debate.
I don't agree with
and
you.
then, and they come, now my point be that. And then also, the people when I believe say they handle GMB now, don't look and say, we know, make we know, this is our goodwill where we get, make we know quickly waste time. And so, because some people, they went on to go learn how to talk. And so, if not by talk. But then, another thing when they miss, for Nigeria, they get some people where they say, if they like, make heaven fall, na say Buhari. You get some people where they say, if you like, make heaven fall, na good luck all the way. But you get some people when they decided, when they wait, say, okay, we hear. I won't even see what these two people get to offer. Because to me, as me and they as well, I know if you tell you lie, two of them don't even move me. I know if there's something now make we elect any of them for class captain. It go hard me first.
Class captain, no.
Class captain, it go hard me. So, but now the way when you go take now, you know, bring out the issues. Now that time I go call look say, okay, this one I don't see him. I don't see him before. You know, ginger me. This other one, the way they talk, they ginger me.
No, but Mr. Stanley, may I come ask you now? The excuse when they give, or part of them now say one. They talk say they believe say we go there inside. Don't to say they go don't lick the question, give one person. And other people talk say okay, these people now the people when we say that they spoil the name of this man. You think say that excuse carry weight for person to use talk say no go debate because now the same question they go ask them. We watched the vice presidential debate yesterday. Now we see him.
Okay, you know say as we dey here so now. Now you dey in charge. So you know you fit throw questions. When you like.
But if you sabi am, you sabi am.
If you sabi am, you sabi am.
Thank you.
But you know, say if you want embarrass people when they stage, we fit make attempts. Now whether you dey successful.
But now if you say you no sabi am.
No, not be say you no sabi am.
Because what you have sabi, you have already sabi.
You have sabi.
Wait, Oga. If you see the program when AIT and NTA they run all this way. After they run am for about an hour, Oga, you know say that program they cost 5 million naira per hour now. NTA they run am. AIT to run simultaneously. They even conduct opinion poll. After running that program, everybody see they say 75% they say Buhari. And they say they can't close the website.
So they hack.
They say they hacked the website. Who hacked the website? They say na APC. Then they try to link out to waiting.
No, but you never still answer my question.
No, I did come. What they try to tell you, BC, there's a mindset already. And APC as a party, I believe the party did very smart on this issue. You don't understand. If you want make everybody attend debate, since Jonah no attend last time, they arrange special one for them. Maybe because na president, na born organizer. They can still arrange special one for this Buhari. And aside that,
no, but
if you want,
Igor, they call us from Abuja. You go still answer my question because so you never still answer.
No problem.
Oga Igor, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Oga Chukudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Igor. Greet our people when they inside house, I beg.
Barrister when he wear glasses, I agree with her. I agree with her. We talk better, talk when he say I like.
Yeah, we hear you. Continue.
The barrister when he wear glasses, I agree with her because you see, say why Buhari say no go debate? Why go tell him say no come debate? Nine tell us say he go create 20,000 jobs for each state. Make he come the studio for here. Make the answer I go take create time. Make you know they make mad for us. I say he go do this one, he go do this one. Let it come to the debate. Make I see because he knows that time when he do it, when he come debate for last election, he knows say no hot. Now question where they go answer certificate saga. This one, plenty this way they go answer. He knows say he go fail for there for the debate. Now they cannot agree come.
Oga Igor, you don't mark in script give a result. But now you talk. But barrister, I invite you today.
Wait. Make I say one thing. Last time when Oga Jonah no come, all of us we use our tongue flog him. Say he no get anything to talk. Then make I no come. Instead, he go one corner, go the organize debate with the bench. This year now, when Baba Buhari say no, they go. Also, we no go keep quiet.
We go flog him.
Yes, you know why? Because for America, debate no be by law.
Thank you, barrister. You go hold on. Make we take this call. Obiora, they call us from Yola. Oga Obiora, good morning, sir.
Good morning to everybody. How are you?
We dey fine. Oh. Greet our baristas then when they start
Good morning.
studio.
How are you?
Obiora, we greet you.
Great, sir.
Well done. So what is see what they talk about? This one way APC what they do, you see show that they don't get respect for the Nigerian masses. They hear me?
We dey hear you. We dey hear you.
If they say they want to change Nigeria, they will come tell the Nigerians now how they go take change us. Okay, my Oga said the boy don't they become popular. Even 2011, the man is still popular. And when you remember 2011, when President no come, because the President is busy now, if they busy with other things, not the ordinary man. But now, Buhari never won't post, and he don't get chance for a common man debate. So when he get the post, what do you go do? Okay, what of their party? The first time their party no even come. Even the vice president no come, he's still busy, he's popular too. So it shows that they don't get any plan now for Nigeria at all. And I don't know to talk from out. So it's better now to tell them, maybe they come, they show some respect. Not make we go there, they won't change us without no plan and the process. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Quickly, make I just talk something. Now, you see, Igor call us from Abuja. When we hear the name Igor, we know where he come from. Obiora call us from Yola. When we hear the name Obiora, we know where he come from. These are two people who come from different backgrounds. When they come from different places inside this Nigeria. When no talk, say, see as the matter they go. You not think, say, this refuser not to come this debate to discuss the issue when we they talk about, you not think, say, it go affect in chances.
Okay, you know, go ask me. We don't tell you history just now. We don't tell you history, but we know say history they change sometime. You understand? You must, what you make, we need to stay here, be say, he no say, he no go attend any debates. But this particular one, he say no go attend them. Okay, the chairman of Bond, if I'm not mistaken, now the head of NTE, sure you know, AIT is involved.
No, but
I come now, I come.
No, before we take Abdul, they call us from Lokoja. Make we balance the call on different places. Oga Abdul, okay, we don't lose that call from Oga Abdul. I bet finish me Barrister Liborius, continue waiting they talk.
When you look at those people when they form this group, the NTA, AIT, now serious matter. Buhari, when you talk about it, you get water and blood, they flow for everyone, just as all of us get here. You don't understand? So, to be fair, what was okay, since this body has been discredited, a big issue. Because if you watch that statement by Shehu, he said right from the start, they don't make this observation. They're supposed to do something so that we know, and nobody will get excuse say he no will come for this debate. Organize another debate without this element.
No, but the excuse when they give is yes, those platforms now very big ones. FRCN, radio for everywhere.
Okay, you know the role of DSS. DSS not be. You know what is our police. You know what they do. They're supposed to protect all of us, but you know what it did.
No, now you get. I don't know.
You know what it did.
We go take this call from Raphael. Raphael, they call us from Kogi. Oga Raphael, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Raphael. I beg, Chukman for this matter.
Morning, sir.
Morning, Raphael.
Hello?
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, we hear you, Oga Raphael. Continue.
State.
Yes, we hear you. Continue.
Please, I want to comment on that debate. If Buhari is capable to rule this country or to participating in this election, is to come forward for the debate. Like the debate that was held yesterday, I didn't see anything partisan in that debate because I watched yesterday throughout the debate and it was fun. And then at least everybody was expressed his feeling the way if you want to govern this country, you want to rule this country, how will your plans and how you are going to do it. Not the one, I know they can promise that they are not going to fulfill, but it's not easy. You now come out and say you are going to do this so that we hold you by your word if you don't do it. If you come for debate and you did not perform in what you say in your debate, they can use against you in future. That is if you say you want to create 3 million jobs, yes, youth needs jobs. We have more than 5 million youth that are looking for jobs in this country and there is no job. I tell you now, okay, how is he going to create? In what ministry is he going to put them? Where are they going to work? By the time you now tell us all those things, we'll now work on it.
Oga Raphael don't make plenty points. Barrister.
See, like I be the talk here. For America, debate no dey statutory, but na convention. Now the people don't come to accept the fact, say, for elections, some people just they'll say, forget all this campaign, we dey wait for the debate. And you see Obama and Romney. The first one, Obama no perform well. But he go back, he ginger himself, he come back again. And the good thing about this, our Nigerian debate, big say, anybody feel organize your own. Now, if they organize this one, APC say they know they come. make APC organize their own self called PDP. PDP say, if you not like, make it be say na large lie, now organize the debate, they go show.
Thank you very much.
No,
Barrister, you don't make points.
So,
say if they like,
this one
they
a
organize
PDP
their own, say
debate
they
now.
go go.
APC, maybe APC go try
for
organize
the benefit of
their own.
Nigerians.
Exactly. I agree
Because
with you.
I tell you true, for campaign, most things where they talk for campaign, they lost in the campaign. And some, you know, go even here. You know, so, but for debate, all of us go, we they sit down, sometimes they wait. The one where even pay me pass. For Lagos State, 2007, we see debate. We enjoy them. It's some people make up their mind to vote for a particular candidate for that because of that debate. 2011, the same thing. This one now, LTV, TVC, invite us for debate. They cancel and they don't tell us. Why? At that one, you will cause somebody they bias too. So all of this, now the thing when they pay me inside some of this, our politicians think will take us seriously.
When come inside studio, we now go see say this discussion or something where we say we not go stop am for here. Or we see it on top of Facebook, we did Twitter, and we see they receive mails. A lot of people they talk say the debates they're very very important. Whether now these people organize them or whether no be those people organize them, say they put Nigeria first for their mind, so that all the whole of Nigeria go hear waiting they want do for them. We thank Barrister Liborius and Barrister Stanley as they make out time to come join us on top of us in the hall to discuss this matter. Tomorrow we'll come with another bumper package and we'll get people when go still chook mouth for all the different talk when we discuss. My name is Ezuku Chukwudi, and on behalf of myself and Nkubi, I dey say bye bye on top of us in the hot. Bye bye.